Hey guys, I got a good one on wipers today. Check this out. How can you tell when your wipers need to be replaced? Well, if you see a lot of streaking going on when you turn them on and it's raining, it's time to replace those wipers. They usually can last 6 months, sometimes up to a year. So it really varies. Also, you get what you pay for on everything, really, in the automotive industry. So the cheaper the blade, the less it's gonna last. Those winter blades are usually just as good for 3 months, and that's it. They're winter blades, they're kind of junk. So a nice overall blade is what you really want. And that right there is what you don't want your blade to be doing, because once it separates like that, it's just kind of flapping around and it's not doing its job on the windshield. It's not staying nice and flat. So that is a sure sign that it's time for a blade. And I want to add that it's not always the blade's fault. A lot of times it's your windshield. If you have a lot of tree, pine sap, or whatever tree stuff is coming down on there, and the windshield is not very clean, it's also going to streak because the wiper blade is not able to just dig right down onto the windshield and things like that. Super easy things you can do to just make sure you got a clean windshield. It's safer for you and for everybody else on the road. So I hope that helps. Keep sending in those questions, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.